So, Halloween's coming up in a week. You decide you want to be a ninja this year, but you can't do any flips. Well, you're in luck, because today, in 3 easy steps, I'm going to show you... What's the line? So you want to learn to flip, but the backflip's too scary? Well, you're in luck, because I'm gonna teach you the coolest flip you can learn. In the kitchen, at the park, in an alley, in the dark, you can learn the cheat gainer no matter where you are. Before you start learning this move, make sure you know how to walk. If you haven't learned to walk yet, check the link in the description below for a tutorial on how to walk. Step 1. The setup for this move is called the J step. The J stands for just stupid. In order to perform the J step, you're gonna start standing with your right leg back. Now imagine there's a line running straight down in front of you. This move is all about the line. You're gonna step off the line with your right leg and put your hands up like that Macklemore song. Then you're gonna hop back onto the line with your left with your arms cocked back and ready to swing. Now that you've mastered the J step, all that's left to do for step 1 is lift up that leg. Step 2. For step 2, you're gonna do the same as in step 1, except this time you're gonna use momentum from your swing and hop from your left leg to your right over the line. When you swing, make sure to move your arms and leg at the same time. Once you leave the ground, try to keep your leg up throughout the entire motion. Step 3. The final step is to do the same thing, except this time you want to put your head and chest down towards the ground as you swing. As you get better at this move, you want to gradually invert your gainer by pushing your hips forward and leaning back. If you don't want to be just stupid, you can apply these same steps to learn scoot or TDR gainer.
Just stupid.
Congratulations, you landed your first cheat gainer and should now be ready for next year's Halloween.